Our lives revolve around video calls. Ever since the pandemic has hit us, we spend roughly 4 to 5 hours daily on video calls. But how many of these are effective? Standard solutions like Zoom, Teams, Meet, while being great for hosting a large audience, lack an important piece when it comes to the world of virtual meetings and virtual discussions. They lack context. It takes us longer to explain a plan or an idea. It takes more effort to get a consensus, and it causes Zoom fatigue both in the audience and the speaker. Context can be adding your face to the presentation so that you give an immersive experience to an audience and the audience can relate better to the idea that is being shared. Context can be adding a web link, any web link like a Miro mind map, to express your thoughts better to the audience. It can be showing a product demo to your clients to get the point across, or adding a notepad with a list of things to do so that people can understand better what you're saying. Context is you using dynamic content stitched in an engrossing flow to engage your audience. It helps us express better, be more efficient, and explain the complex ideas easily. TrimPixel adds context to your calls. TrimPixel engages the audience using that context. Let us discuss the unique benefits of TrimPixel over other softwares. Firstly is the human touch. You can make your slide come alive by using your video feed on top of your presentation and giving an immersive experience to the audience. Never screen share. With TrimPixel, all your presentations, websites, product demo videos, or a notepad and images can be showcased alongside your video feed, and you avoid the risk of exposing any confidential or private information to the audience. You can plug and play almost any virtual dataset to the meeting. And the deep tech leveraged by the software allows your videos to run smoothly on video conferencing platforms, something that is unheard of Zoom till now. Lastly, the TrimPixel storyboard allows you to plug in all your virtual datasets before the meeting starts, and this gives back the flow and pace of the meeting back under your control. With TrimPixel, you can go live on 100 plus video conferencing platforms, including Zoom, Teams, Meet, and other links like YouTube Live and Facebook Live, which means your audience doesn't need to install TrimPixel to experience the magic. Only you need to be on TrimPixel to dazzle them. You can record all your meetings in TrimPixel for free. This meeting itself was presented and recorded entirely on TrimPixel without any prior knowledge of editing. TrimPixel doesn't upload any of your data to the cloud. We have not taken any of the user data to the servers. What's more, it takes less than 10 minutes to master TrimPixel and create your first presentation to go live on a Zoom meeting. If you too want to create such experiences on Zoom meetings, you can write to me at my email, nikhil@trimpixel.com. I would be looking forward to hearing from you. Thank you.